So there are three main factors that we think cause autoimmune diseases. The first one being an affected immune response. So if we get a loss of immunoregulation and a breakdown of central tolerance, then our immune cells start recognising self cells as foreign and attack them. Another factor is the environment, so triggers such as infections, the climate, stress, hormones, what we eat, and if we smoke can result in autoimmune diseases. The best example being is with an infection. So there's you and your sister. You'll both live the exact same lifestyle, with the exact same thing, but your sister has a mutation that she has the same, protein receptor on her heart cells that a Streptococcus pyogenes has, right? So you're both infected with this Streptococcus strain. Your immune response then makes antibodies and T cells against this surface protein of the Streptococcus. But remember, your sister had that mutation on her heart cells, so she has the same M surface protein on her heart cells as what Streptococcus does. That means when these antibodies are made and these T cells are made to destroy the Streptococcus, not only does it destroy the infection, but it will destroy the heart cells as well. This means that the infection can be cleared, but an organ disease develops as well. But this is only if you have this mutation. You might not have this mutation. You could live a completely normal life like yourself. It just might be your sister might have this mutation that then causes damage if infected. But she might never be infected. She might never get infected with Streptococcus. She could live a completely healthy and safe life and never get any sort of damage. Another cause is genetics. So it's more than likely not a single genetic mutation that can cause it. It's more than likely multiple mutations which can cause a mutation in tolerance mechanisms. So it's multigenic, but it's not very well understood. Some which we think are important are the hemoleucocyte antigen, which is one of our mutations of the hemoleucocyte antigen, which is one of our main genetic factors. There's the FAS and the FAS-L, which are the code for the FAS receptor and the FAS ligand respectively, which result in apoptosis. Any mutations within these can lead to autoimmune diseases. And then there's the AIR gene, which encodes for transcription factors which regulate T cell tolerance. So if I just move this a little bit, you can see here in this diagram, if we have a normal gene for it, then in central tolerance, autoreactive T cells are eliminated, but T cells which don't recognise self cells are fine. If we have a mutation where this gene is sort of knocked out, then autoreactive T cells escape negative selection, so the T cells that react to self cells still survive, and those that don't react to self cells and only react to foreign cells are eliminated, resulting in a destruction of self cells.